Welcome to day 19 of our 21-day public speaking challenge. Today is all about learning how to record your sessions, to record your yoga class. Let's dive into the recording process and set the stage for future success. Okay, so first thing first is finding a quiet place to film yourself practicing the yoga sequence. Second, review your warm up sequence. Let's go step by step. And so read it out loud 2 times to 5 times just to get the flow, just to get the pace, just to get the rhythm, just to get where how do you want to say things, and then switch the camera on and begin recording your warm up sequence yoga class. Allow yourself to flow through the asanas and the cues you have outlined, following your speech keywords and modified as needed for any contraindication, any benefits, any cue that you would like to give to your students. And then after you did record the first part of your class, which is your warm up, take a breather. After the first recording, switch off the camera and take a breather. This break lets you reset and approach the next session with a fresh mindset. You'll be amazed by the improvement that comes with reflection and a bit of distance, a bit of time. It's like hitting pause and then hitting play on the better version of yourself. So take a breather. Very, very important. Then you want to review your the middle one sequence, and you want to read it out loud again 2 to 5 times, depending on how much you need to practice. And then again, you switch on the camera, you begin to record your middle one sequence, and then you take a breather again, and then you review your middle two sequence and you read it out loud, and then you start to record your middle two, and then you're moving to your cool down. You read it out loud, you record it, and then you take a breather. So you will want to do this for 5 consecutive days. Practicing, practicing for 5 consecutive days might seem like a significant commitment, but it's a powerful way to establish a consistent routine and build confidence in your public speaking skill. If you're not still confident in 5 days, maybe you want to extend the period to 10, 15, whatever it takes for you. Everyone is so unique. So embrace where you are, embrace how much time you need, and just following along. Why is it so beneficial to do it for 5 consecutive days or 10 consecutive days? Well, first of all, you establish a habit. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering any skill. By committing to practice for 5 days in a row, you are forming a new habit that will make public speaking feel more natural and effortless over time. Repetition, second point, by practicing daily, you are reinforcing natural pathways in your brains and improving your ability to recall information and articulate ideas. Observing progress. Practicing regularly allows you to observe your progress. You will likely notice improvement in your confidence, clarity of the speech, and overall presentation skills as you continue to practice consistently. Making adjustment after you learn your progress and your improvement, you want to practice for those days for the opportunity to identify areas where you still need to adjust few things, as we said already, but it's more to refine your delivery, to adjusting your pace or experimenting with different techniques. So regular practice allow you to fine tune your public speaking skills based on the real time feedback, if you have any, or your feedback is very important too. And then you want to go live on the 6th day or on the 15th day. Just you know how much time you need on the 6th day. Take a bold step forward to go live on your favorite platform. By practicing for 5 days and then going live on the sixth day, you are setting up yourself for success by establishing a consistent practice routine, observing your progress, and challenging yourself to overcome fear and step into the full potential as a speaker. And this is why it's very important to go live on the sixth day or on the 10th day, whatever it needs for you. Facing fear. Going live can be intimidating, guys, but it's an excellent way, it's an excellent opportunity to face your fears and step out of your comfort zone, because you've been practicing behind your camera with no one there, but you know that you might have a real audience following along your class. So when you go live, you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Embracing the challenge of going live allows you to build resilience and confidence in your ability to handle unexpected situations. You're kind of getting ready for a real time audience, but not quite there. So going live is just a step in between. And then you want to on when you go live, you have real-time feedback. Going live provides you with the real-time feedback from your audience. Pay attention to their reaction, to their comments, to their question after the class, before your speech, after your speech. And this feedback can offer valuable insights into your strength and areas for improvement as a speaker or as a yoga teacher. Accountability. Going live holds you accountable for your commitment to improving your public speaking skills. Knowing that you are broadcasting on an audience motivates you to bring your A game and deliver your message with confidence and conviction. And even though the first time you might not be confident, while you're practicing, while you're showing up, while you keep going live, that's when the real magic happens, and that's when you become more confident. Reflecting on performance, embracing the learning process on each live session, and take some time to reflect on your performance. Write down one thing you did very well and one thing you might need to improve. Recognize that it's a matter of growing from consistent effort and willingness to learn. So use those feedback and reflection to evolve and refine your speaking skills. Tips for creating a top-notch videos. What you'll need is a camera. An ideal choice is a dedicated camera. However, if you don't have that, don't find the excuse of, oh, I'm gonna wait, as soon as I have a camera, I'll start my live, I start my recording. No, use your smartphone, use the laptop camera. Anything will do just for you to get started. And then pro tips, you might want to need a tripod if you want to invest. If you don't want to invest in a tripod, that's fair enough. If you have a tripod, awesome. Set up your phone for a steady shot. No tripod, no worries. A table, the floor, or a creative stacks of books can do the job. So don't worry, don't find excuses, just do the damn thing. And then go horizontal. I always suggest to go horizontal because when you are sideways, you have a cinematic widescreen, so it has an effective look. Overall, it's a better look. So I would definitely recommend it to go horizontal. And then find your distance. Position yourself 1 or 2 meters away from your phone. These sweet spots ensure you are visible and clear in the frame. And then you want to have the right angle. So, for example, if you have your yoga mat here, I like to always place my camera here. So it's sideways, but almost facing the front top corner. It's either left or right. So almost facing the top and the side. So kind of like having that view. I don't know if it makes sense. Anyway, So I think you're ready and you're set and you can record. Conclusion of this class: as you engaging in recording and learning, you are actively shaping your path to becoming a confident public speaker. Embrace the lesson from each recording session. Celebrate your successes and continue to challenge yourself. Remember, growth is a journey, and your dedication will lead to remarkable progress. And of course, keep shining and get ready for your final steps in our 21-day public speaking challenge. We have 2 more days. Don't miss out. Stay dramatically different. Ciao for now.